So once the circuits have been created, we need to show in our documentation how they're connected. And there's three really common ways of doing this, and we're going to pick three different circuits and show how to document it for each one. And so you really only need to do three circuits on the admin, and that will be fine. So let's take a look at those three ways. One is to actually place a bunch of wires, which is not too bad. I'll show you how to do it. And then you put a wire tag on it at the front and at the end of the circuit. Now those really go back to the power panel, not a little closed loop here. This would actually go back to power panel 1, and this would come from admin 1, circuit 9, admin 1, circuit 9. Okay, so that's showing that there's actually a loop that gets made. And this is a very visual way of seeing it, and it looks pretty nice. Another way is to just patch an area, and everything in that is on a circuit. Okay, so that's another way that you can do it, and I'll show you how to make that happen. And then the other way that's fairly common, and this depends on, all of this depends on what's the easiest, most clear way to present it. But instead of hatching the area, you just put a detail line around the area, and then you, okay? And I'll show you how to do each of these now. So I'll pick this one right here to do that one. I think, where is, maybe I'll do this one down here. Okay, so I see that these create a circuit. Okay, these two rooms create a circuit. So let me do that for them. So I'll use this wiring thing, and we're going to use arcs. There's different ways. Some use splines, some use a chamfered. I'm just going to use this arc one. Save my project. There we go. Save. Early and often. And notice how it gets down and it tells me. If I do it out here, it may or may not work right. I want it to get onto that little connector. Click, second click, third click. Then I do it again. Click, second click, third click. Click, second click, third click, 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 click. It was really short. Click, click, click. Must have that one hooked up to something already. Okay, well, right now it's not going to find that last one. I think I've got it already hooked up to something. Is part of it. If I can, that one to connect up again. There it goes. Got it. Okay, so that shows my circuit. Now I need to put a wire tag on it. So I need a little wire coming off the end. Click, 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 going to nowhere. Click, 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 going to nowhere. Okay, it's actually going back to the panel. And at that point, I go ahead and do a wire tag. Go. And you can leave the leader on it, or you can take the leader. Doesn't it depends on, what looks good on your drawing. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Let me take these two rooms and do that one. So that one, I think what I'll do is I'll make a region out of this one, and I can pick walls, right? And then I know that I've got to do my little fillet command all over the place, or it just goes all wacko. There we go. And I'll make this diagonal crosshatch, and I think I already showed you that I changed the. There we go. So that looks really good. So that says that that's going to be a circuit. And then to actually get that circuit name in here somewhere, you're going to have to tag by category. And I may have to hide this for a minute or get it to move just for a goes. That one to say admin 1. Oh, I didn't put my wire tag on it. Get that right. I have to put my wire on it. Here's my system. I still have to put a wire on it. Now I can wire tag it. Where did that go? My gosh. Went somewhere crazy, but I'll get it back down in here. And again, I can turn off the tag, and now I can move. So that's another way to do it. And the third way is to add a wire tag. Let me just do another one here. Where is it? Systems, add a wire tag. Go ahead and annotate that with a tag by category. Rid of my leader. Move this into place. And then I would simply make a detail line around it to show it. Okay, so that's what would happen there. Remember your detail line, once you've got it, you might want to do not hide, but change those graphics so that you're on black and white, and you might need to play with the a little bit. So you can work with these to make them look exactly. So there's your 3 methods that you can use to show how these all go together in a circuit.